Okay, question 11. The perimeter of a rectangular garden is to have width x and length x plus 4. The perimeter needs to be greater than 30. So you've got your rectangle with width x, length x plus 4. So the perimeter is going to be 2 times x plus 4, which is 2x plus 8, plus 2 times x, which gives you 4x plus 8. You need to show, it says show that, so you need to show this. You can't just write down 4x plus 8. So then we know that 4x plus 8 is greater than 30. So subtract. So 4x is greater than 22. So 2x is greater than 11. The area of the garden needs to be less than 96. So again, area is just x plus 4. So we can write x plus 4 is less than 96. That's enough. And then that expands to be that. So you have to show the examiner the expression. You don't necessarily need all this, but you have to show this expression and this one to get the mark, and here this one and this one to get the mark. Right, now we're solving it. Okay, so the first thing to do is recognise that you've got negative 8 and plus 12. Once you've done that, then remember to sketch your curve going through negative 12 and plus 8. And then because it's less than 0, we're interested in this part of the curve. So we're interested in values between negative 12 and 8. So x is less than 8, but greater than negative 12. Okay, you get 1 mark for factorising. Your second mark is for some acknowledgement of the values of 8 and 12, negative 8 and 12. So either a graph or the factorisation itself or whatever. Your third mark is for a sketch or equivalent to show how you've identified this. The way it works, if you've solved it correctly, you will get the marks, even if you haven't done it in this way. But assuming you don't get the correct solution, then we'll look back for the other marks. Now this last bit, hence determine the possible values of the width of the garden. Just be careful, because we have got more than this information about x. We've got that x lies between negative 12 and 8, but we've also got that 2x is greater than 11. So let's put those two pieces of information together. If 2x is greater than 11, then x is greater than 5.5. And we also know it lies between negative 12 and 8. Well, it's got to be greater than 5.5 and less than 8. So putting those two together, that's your inequality. And I would put the units. There's nowhere in the question that it says that the length is an integer, so people who've listed the integers unfortunately will not get that right.